Customer journey mapping. What it is? Customer journey mapping is the process of visualizing how a customer interacts with the business across different touchpoints. It shows the complete experience from first contact to final outcome. Why IT matters. Customers don't experience a company in silos. They move across websites, apps, support teams, sales channels. A journey map helps understand this full experience. Key stages: awareness. Customer discovers your brand, consideration, evaluates options, decision, makes a purchase, retention, continues, engagement, loyalty, becomes a repeat customer. Touchpoints. These are interaction points like website visits, customer support calls, emails, and notifications. Product usage. Each touchpoint shapes the experience. Pain points and opportunities. Journey mapping helps identify where customers face issues, where they drop off, where experience can improve. This leads to better customer satisfaction. Role of data and AI. Modern tools use data and AI to analyze customer behavior. This helps in personalization, predictive recommendations, improving engagement, business impact, better customer experience, higher conversion rates, improved retention, stronger brand loyalty. The future customer journey mapping is becoming more data-driven and real-time. Companies that understand customer journeys build stronger, long-term relationships.